Cloud for Capella is a solution for anyone who wants to use Capella without having to worry about installation and IT infrastructure concerns. It relies on a cloud environment managed by Obeo, where Capella is already deployed, with several pre-installed add-ons and the possibility to work in a collaborative mode with a Team for Capella server. The environment is accessible remotely through a secured connection. When you click on the Cloud for Capella shortcut, you must enter your credentials and then you may access a remote desktop. On this desktop, you can find a shortcut to launch a Capella client that has been extended with a selection of add-ons pre-installed by Obeo. Once the Capella client is open, you can use it as if you would on your own desktop. You can browse the model, open diagrams, modify elements, create a new architecture, etc. With Cloud for Capella, you can quickly start using Capella and work collaboratively and securely with your team and partners. Everyone is guaranteed to use the same environment and the same version. And the data, meaning your workspace and your models, is saved thanks to automatic and constant backups.